Welcome to Track of the Day Mobile, the route planner and navigation app for people who love the journey more than the destination. In the next few minutes, I will show you what the app can do and how to use it. Track of the Day Mobile is part of a larger ecosystem. At the center is the Track of the Day cloud. It stores your routes and tracks and keeps them in sync across all your devices. On the desktop, there is Track of the Day, a powerful route planning application for Windows available in the Microsoft Store. And there is GS Route, our route planner for Windows, Mac, and Linux. Track of the Day Mobile completes the picture. It runs on your Android phone and tablet, on iPhone and iPad, on the Mac, and on Windows. Plan a tour on your desktop in the evening, and the next morning it is already on your phone, ready for navigation. Or record a trip on the road and analyze it later on the big screen. Everything stays in sync automatically. For this video, I will use the Windows version of Track of the Day Mobile, simply because a widescreen recording is easier to follow than a phone screen. But here is the important part. It is the same app, built from the same code. Everything you see in this video works exactly the same way on your Android phone, your iPhone, your iPad, and your Mac. This is the heart of the app, the map. You can pan, zoom, and rotate it freely. The map comes in several styles. Choose a classic street map, a satellite view, or a terrain map with hill shading, whatever suits your trip. One tap on the location button centers the map on your current position. All main functions are reachable from the menu, routes, tracks, points of interest, and settings. Let us start with the most important one, planning a route. Creating a route is simple. Press and hold on the map to set your starting point. Then search for your destination, or just tap it on the map. The app calculates the route within seconds. Now comes the fun part. A good tour is rarely the fastest way from A to B. Simply drag the route onto the roads you want to ride, and the app inserts via points and recalculates instantly. This is how you turn a plain connection into a great tour. At the bottom, you always see the essentials, total distance, estimated time, and the elevation profile. And of course, the route depends on how you travel. Choose a profile, by car, by motorcycle, or by bicycle, and the routing adapts to it. When your route is ready, start the navigation. Track of the Day Mobile guides you with clear, turn-by-turn instructions and spoken announcements in your language. The navigation screen shows everything at a glance: the next maneuver and its distance, your current speed, the local speed limit, and your estimated time of arrival. If you drive faster than allowed, the display warns you. And if you miss a turn, no problem. The app notices immediately and calculates a new route, taking your driving direction into account, so you are never asked to make an impossible U-turn. If your car supports Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, your tour comes with you onto the built-in display. The map, the next maneuver, and your speed are right where you expect them, on the screen in your dashboard, controlled safely from the app on your phone. Track of the Day Mobile is not only for planned tours. Tap the record button, and the app records your trip as a track, with your speed, your altitude, and the exact path you took. Afterwards, every trip becomes a memory you can revisit. Full statistics, the elevation profile, and your track on the map. Your best days deserve to be remembered. All your routes and tracks live in your personal library, neatly organized and searchable. The app speaks GPX fluently. Import routes from any source, your favorite tour portal, your motorcycle navigator, or a friend. And export your own tours just as easily. Remember the Track of the Day cloud from the beginning? This is where it shines. Your library synchronizes across all your devices. Plan on Windows, navigate on Android, relive on the iPad. It is always the same library. The best tours often lead exactly where the mobile network ends. That is why Track of the Day Mobile works completely offline. Download the map packs for your region in advance. Then, even without any internet connection, you still have the full map, and the app can still calculate routes right on your device. In the mountains, abroad, or in the middle of nowhere, you are never lost. For the explorers among you, there is more. The built-in Pathfinder shows you mountain passes around your route, perfect for collecting the great alpine roads. And with points of interest, you find fuel stations, restaurants, and viewpoints along your way, and add them to your tour with a single tap. Let us sum it up. Track of the Day Mobile plans your perfect tour, navigates you turn by turn, even offline, records every trip, and keeps everything in sync with your desktop through the Track of the Day cloud. On Android, iPhone, iPad, Mac, and Windows. Download Track of the Day Mobile, plan your first tour, and make every day a Track of the Day. Thanks for watching, and see you on the road.